Now let us see ways to ask directions in Amharic language, okay? And when you are a foreigner or a guest to one country, it's important to know the directions, okay? And it's important to ask the directions in that specific language, okay? And we'll see ways to ask directions in Amharic language, okay? The first method is what? Just general way. The general way to ask directions, okay? General way to ask directions. And the first one is where can I find, okay? In order to say, let us say, you want to find some place, okay? And you want to ask that. So you'll say, where can I find dash, okay? You'll add anything you like. The place you want to find, you'll name it here, okay? So where can I find the dash, okay? Where can I find the dash? And in order to say this in Amharic language, you will say what? የት ነው ማገኘው? And the difference is that it's the vice versa, okay? In English, where can I find a dash, okay? Where can I find, if it is a bank, you will say where can I find a bank? Where can I find a pharmacy? Where can I find what? A hotel? Or where can I find a motel? Where can I find a guest house? You will say like that, okay? In Amharic, the name will come first, okay? Dash. Here you'll add, okay, the place. Dash. የት ነው ማገኘው? የት ነው ማገኘው means where can I find, okay? You'll say የት ነው ማገኘው. This one is basic alphabet, yeah, okay? This one is subgroup of alphabet T. This one is T, T, Ta, Te, T. This one is T, okay? የት የት. This one is basic alphabet N. This one is subgroup of alphabet W. We, wa, we, w. Now, when we read it, now. Yet, now. This one is basic alphabet, yeah. This one is subgroup of alphabet, ma, mu, mi, ma. This one is what? Ma. And this one is basic alphabet, ga. This one is basic alphabet, nya. And this one is subgroup of alphabet, wa, wu, we, wa, we, w. Okay? When we read it, it says what? Yet, now. Yet, now. የማገኘው የት ነው የማገኘው it means where can I find, okay? In order to say where can I find, you'll use in Amharic language የት ነው ማገኘው. So as I said you before, in English you're gonna, when you construct the sentence, you'll say where can I find dash. For instance, where can I find, then you'll add the place you want to find, okay? Where can I find dash? Where can I find a guest house? Where can I find a hotel? Where can I find a bank? Where can I find a pharmacy? Okay? You're gonna say like this. But in order to be polite, you'll say you'll not say where can I find? You're gonna say what? Excuse me, or sir. Since you are just searching for a place, so you need to be polite, okay? In order to be polite, you're gonna use excuse me, where can I find a guest house? Or sir, where can I find a hotel, a bank, or a pharmacy, okay? Similarly, in order to say where can I find, we use in Amharic language, the word is, I have told you that, it is what? የት ነው ማገኘው, okay? የት ነው ማገኘው. But the place you want to find comes in the first place here in Amharic language, okay? Dash, here you will fill the place you want to find, okay? If it is a bank, you will say bank የት ነው ማገኘው. But in order to be polite here also in Amharic language, in order to say excuse me or sir, you will use what? ወንድሜ, እህቴ, ይቅርታ. ወንድሜ means my brother. Since you are new to the place or to the country, when you want to find a place, just you need to be what? Polite. So if the person you are asking is male person, you're gonna say to him ወንድሜ. It means my brother. This one is where, this one is subgroup of alphabet na, nu, ni, na, ni, n. This one is subgroup of alphabet da, du, di, da, de, d, okay? This one is subgroup of alphabet ma, mu, mi, ma, me, okay? Me. So when we read it, ወንድሜ, it means my brother. ወንድሜ means my brother. If the person you are asking to find the place is a female or woman, you will say እህቴ እህቴ. Okay, this one is subgroup of alphabet a u e a e e. This one is subgroup of alphabet ha hu hi ha he he. Okay, this one is subgroup of alphabet ta tu ti ta te. Okay, when we read it እህቴ, it means my sister. Okay, my sister እህቴ. Whereas the other option is what? ይቅርታ. This one is subgroup of alphabet ye yu yi ya ye ye. Okay, ye. This one is subgroup of ka ku ki ka ke k. This one is k. Okay, this one is subgroup of alphabet ra ru ri ra re re. Okay, and this one is subgroup of alphabet ta tu ti ta. Okay, ይቅርታ, it means excuse me. ይቅርታ. So you need to use either one of the three. Okay, in order to be polite. Since you are new to the place, you need to be polite. Okay, and also you are searching for a place. It's for the sake of yourself, so you need to be polite. So either you need to use one of the three in order to say my brother ወንድሜ, or in order to say my sister እህቴ. If the person you are asking is male, you will say ወንድሜ. If the person you are asking female, you will say እህቴ. Or you can use for both male and female. ይቅርታ, it means excuse me. So you'll use this in the first. So ወንድሜ ባንክ የት ነው የማገኘው? Okay, first you will be polite. You will say ወንድሜ if the person is male, or if the person is female, you will say እህቴ. Or you can use ይቅርታ for both male and female. ይቅርታ ባንክ የት ነው ማገኘው? Okay, bank in English, bank in Amharic, it's also at bank. Okay, bank. Hotel in English, in Amharic, it's also at hotel. Pharmacy. Guest house, it means what? እንግዳ ማረፊያ. So in order to find a place, you will use what? A general word, which is what? Where can I find what? A hotel, a bank, a pharmacy, a guest house. So the equivalent term in Amharic language to say where can I find is የት ነው ማገኘው. So you'll just name the place. If it is a bank, in the first place. So first you need to be at polite. ወንድሜ ባንክ የት ነው ማገኘው? እህቴ ሆቴል የት ነው ማገኘው? ይቅርታ ፋርማሲ የት ነው ማገኘው? So you can use okay any place to name. Okay, you want if you want bank, you will say bank. If you want pharmacy, you will say pharmacy. If you want hotel, you will say hotel. But make sure that you need to be at polite. So excuse me, sir. So in Amharic ወንድሜ እህቴ or ይቅርታ. ወንድሜ is only used for male person. Okay, እህቴ is only used for female person, but ይቅርታ can be used for any person. Okay, then you will name the place. If it is bank, ወንድሜ ባንክ የት ነው ማገኘው? የት ነው ማገኘው means where can I find. እህቴ ሆቴል የት ነው ማገኘው? Okay, this one is one way to ask direction in Amharic language, which is a general term. Okay, we'll see the next one.